Hello, everyone. My name is Miriam Goldberg. I'm going to be your instructor for this summer session. BioSci 140 is human genetics. Genetics is one of my favorite subjects. I usually teach human physiology, but my background is in cell and molecular biology, so genetics is very close to my heart. This is a 100% online class, so we're not going to be meeting every week. We're going to have assignments organized into modules. And one good thing that you may think is a good thing, you don't have any exams for this class. As long as you keep up every week and complete the assignments that I have prepared for you, that's going to be how you earn your grade. So I'm hoping that you can do that every week. It's a fast-paced course. It's only 8 weeks, so we have to do 2 modules per week, doing about 2 chapters each week. And then you have your assignments, your homework assignments at the end of the week. Every assignment is going to be due on Saturday at midnight. And remember that for Canvas, midnight is 11:59. So don't start posting at 11:45, for example, right? So make sure that you log in maybe Monday and you read everything you have to do and you pace yourself and accommodate your schedule so that you can complete the assignments. One of the first things that you need to do as soon as the course is open is go to the discussion board and have introductions. I would like you to post a picture of yourself, and if you're not comfortable with that, a picture of something you love, like a pet or a plant or anything, right? You have my video, so you know how it look. So I've been at College of the Canyons for about 25 years. I'm also the department chair for the Biological and Environmental Sciences Department. I'm also the Honors Faculty Coordinator, and I'm the Phi Theta Kappa Advisor. So I'm a busy lady, but the best thing that I love to do is to teach. That's my favorite. And even though I'm busy, I always like to keep a class because teaching you is what makes me happy. And I truly enjoy teaching. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen and show you the site, the Canvas site for the class, and guide you around the things that you have to look for. Okay, so right here we are at the home page. Within the home page, you have several buttons. I wanted to make them bigger, but I couldn't. So, but you're all young, so you have good eyesight, not like mine. But if you notice here, you have a welcome module. When you click on it, you're going to see what you have to do as soon as you get on Canvas. So there's a syllabus for you, how to get your textbook. Please get it as soon as possible. The course schedule, what are the chapters that we're going to be doing during this session. And then you have the introductions discussion board. So this is where I want to learn a little bit more about yourselves. I know that even though we're not going to meet in person, but it's nice to know who's on the other side of the screen, all right? So if you can do that, first thing, I will appreciate it. This is also a way for me to know that you're serious, that you're going to stay in the class. I have some students on the wait list. So you need to complete that by June 15th. So I know that you're going to stay in the class and you don't want to just drop or not show up. It's a way for me of taking attendance in a way. And then you'll see that all the assignments are going to be organized in modules. So the first thing that you have to do, of course, is to go through the lecture outline. So it's a good idea for you to print out the outline and then read the chapter and make notes on the outline while you're reading the chapter on the from your textbook, okay? And then you're gonna see that there's several lecture 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. These are different videos that I have for you that are illustrating the concepts of the chapter. Some of them are super fun. They're not that long. And so you see that I have several videos that are related to the chapter you're going to be reading. And the way that you can navigate is just by clicking next, and that will take you to 1.2 lecture. And again, you have some videos that you have here, and then you click next until you complete the module, all right? So once you complete the module, you're gonna see that at the end, you're gonna get a homework assignment. So more videos here to watch. And at the end, you're gonna get a homework assignment. And of course, the homework assignment is gonna look and show up under your grade book. So the homework assignment is based on the lecture outline, on the videos that you watched, okay? So that's pretty much how we're going to organize this summer session. So as you can see, there's module 1, module 2, 3, 4. We have a total of 16 modules, and these modules contain all the information. As I mentioned before, you're going to be completing 2 modules per week so that we can complete the course outline by the 8 weeks that we have. And so the first week will be module 1 and module 2. Second week will be module 3 and module 5, and so on until we are done. Now, some of the assignments that you are going to find on the modules are, for example, and some of them are not going to be showing on your end until it's time. But one of the things that I'm doing this session is we're going to use an application that is integrated with your Canvas that is called Perusal Reading. And this is reading assignments that I have created for you that are going to relate to a case study. So for example, the Perusal Reading number 1 is cloning still a thing? Is going to be related to the case study, is cloning still a thing? So you have a perusal reading related to a case study. These are also assignments. They're not every week. They're about every 2 weeks. So you have 4. Okay, so 1 on cloning, 1 on pedigrees, 1 on sequencing and mutations, and 1 on gene editing. And then the case studies are on those readings. Now, the good thing about the perusal readings, and I'll click on the first one so you see what it looks like, is that it's going to help you critically read and understand a topic. It's very important in science to really analyze current articles relate to the topics that we learn in the class. And so what you do with this reading is annotating. So annotating simply means that you're going to be reading and adding notes to the text, or adding comments or your own thoughts or explanations, right? And the fun part about this reading is that all of you are going to be sharing the same reading, and you're going to be seeing what other students are annotating or what their comments are. And it's great for you to comment on your classmates' annotations or whatever. So here you have some common comments that you may think that you want to write. I find this confusing because this makes sense because, or this makes me really curious about. So you can write anything about the article that you're reading, and also you can respond to your classmates. And so that's what is so good about it, because you can read, you annotate and highlight the text that you're referring to. And if somebody made a comment on the particular thing that you're making a comment to, you'll be able to respond to that comment. So Please, in order to make it meaningful and to get full credit, you need to make a minimum of 12 annotations. So 4 per article, 12 total. We have 4 articles, 4, okay, per article. So that's about it. When you click on the perusal reading, it will take you to an outside application that has the content that you need to be reading, right? So I'm clicking on the first one. This is cloning is still a thing, and it takes a little while. There you go. And so here you have the article that I picked for you, that cloning is bringing human cloning a little bit closer. And here's the current conversation, okay? So this is on the right-hand side is when you make a comment and you can make your notes. And as you're reading, you will be highlighting regions of the article that you think is interesting. So that's about it for the assignments in this class. As I said, you have everything on the home page and everything under assignments and discussions, and I'll be making different announcements. But I wanted to give you this look on Canvas and how the class is going to be organized. As always, I want to be very helpful for you. I just want you to be successful. Please don't get behind. As I said, 8 weeks is a very short time for this fascinating class. And I want you to have fun and to learn as much as possible. I'm here to help you, even though we're not going to be meeting every week. But I'm only an email away, and I'm very good at answering emails. I will respond within 48 hours, sometimes right there, because I don't like to have any unread emails in my box. If it's the weekend, it may be 48 hours, but please contact me. Also, make any suggestions that you may like. And because I'm not going to be doing the introductions discussion board, I can tell you that I love teaching. I have a little pet dog. Her name is Ruby, and I love to play tennis. I have 3 granddaughters, and I have twins. My kids are old now. I have a boy and a girl, twins. And they have my 3 granddaughters. My son has 2 daughters. My daughter has 1 daughter. And so my time is busy teaching, managing the department, and also playing with my granddaughters. So I hope you enjoy this class. And as always, I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. And I hope to meet you online. Thank you.